Hey guys, welcome to the new channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can recover your files from the old Windows. So here we go. Simply go to the C drive and there you will find a folder named windows.alt. There you can see it's not the current Windows folder, but it's from the older Windows. Simply go to user and go to your username, and there you can see the desktop and your documents. You can even see your download folder here. If you had some files in your old Windows and they were saved on your desktop, you can find them from here. And there is another folder which is app data. Simply go there, go to temporary files, and there you can see your unsaved program files which were automatically saved in your last Windows. So you can simply recover them, copy them and paste them in your current desktop or in any other folder. So guys, that's how you can recover your files from the old Windows. So that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.